Hi there, welcome to Life Hack channel. Scammers are getting smarter every day, and if you are not careful, your Android phone could be the next target. But don't worry, today I am giving you 5 super simple tips to keep your phone secure and your personal data safe. So let's dive in. Tip 1: Avoid suspicious link. First thing first, never ever click on suspicious links. Scammers love sending fake text or email that looks legit. You might get a message like, "Hey, your bank account is locked. Click here to fix it." Stop. Think twice. Legit companies will never ask for personal details like that. Tip 2: Secure your lock screen. Next up, lock your phone like a pro. A simple swipe to unlock is not enough anymore. Set up a strong password, PIN, or better yet, use the fingerprint or face unlock. It's fast, secure, and keeps nosy fingers out. Tip number 3: Keep your software updated. I know those update notifications can be annoying, but they are there for a reason. They fix security flaws and protect you from the latest scams, so don't ignore them. Tip 4: Check app permissions. Fourth tip: watch what your apps are up to. Some apps sneakily ask for permission they don't need. Does a flashlight app really need access to your contact? No. Go to setting, check app permissions, and turn off anything suspicious. Tip 5: Use two-factor authentication. And finally, activate two-factor authentication. It's like a double lock on your digital door. Even if a scammer somehow gets your password, they can't get in without the extra verification step. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. That's it. 5 quick tips to keep your Android phone safe from the scammers. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below if you ever have encountered a scam attempt, and let us know how you handle it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.